Hi guys, welcome to Honest SR, where you get unbiased, straightforward reviews of products without any financial support by anyone else. Today we're going to look at the Samsung T5 SSDs. Let's start off with the pros. The price is very reasonable right now that the Samsung X5 is out. I've seen it for around $200 for the 2 terabyte, which is really cheap, I think. It's light, portable, and very durable. The transfer speeds and backup speeds are so much faster, especially if you're coming from a traditional spinning hard drive. It is one of the smallest SSDs out there, and there's a lot of colors to choose from. It comes in blue, black, gold, and red. And it's got a nice and sturdy design. I really like that about it. Full hardware based encryption is included as well for this. Now let's get into the cons. It's not the fastest in read and write in real world tests that I've found. You'll see that. It's also not the lightest SSDs out there, nor the most durable. The software that it came with doesn't work with Macs, at least not for me. Okay, verdict time. At this time the SSD isn't the fastest out there, as I said, the X5, but it is a massive improvement on a spinning traditional hard disk drive. If you're coming from a hard disk drive, I would shortlist this definitely and compare it with other SSDs out there, depending on what's important to you, like price and speed and things like that. But if you already have one, I would wait for the price of the Samsung X5 to come down before I get this another SSD in this market. Thanks. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.